So our chapter is about wind energy policy and economics. And what we show in the chapter is how wind energy policy has evolved over time and what the specific challenges are that are upcoming for wind energy policy. And there is no doubt that wind energy policy has been very successful in the past. We've seen exponentially increasing investment rates in the technology and also rapidly declining cost. But does that mean that the wind energy policy is not necessary anymore? And that's clear for us, no. We still will need wind energy policy, but it will change its nature. There is a changing paradigm in wind energy policy, where in the future the policy will not be so much about incentivizing investments anymore. It will be about creating enabling frameworks, enabling environments, and adapting frameworks. And this is because wind energy will have to take a new role in the energy systems. It is the policy that is going to ensure that. In the future, wind energy will have to provide energy system services, for example, take on new responsibilities, and also help on electrification of other sectors, such as transport. And we also see that wind energy policy is becoming more nuanced and also is serving different needs, different social objectives, for example. So that means that wind energy policy is also about creating access to grid connection, smooth permitting processes, and also creating acceptance and local stakeholder involvement. We actually see that wind energy policy is most successful if it follows some win-win ideas for both the industry, local stakeholders, the developers, but also citizens and the overall public. And this is something that we need to create. And our research helps on creating this understanding of the interactions between the market, the technology, and the policy. And with that, we can understand the dynamics behind the policy interventions. And that helps us to define best practices in policy, to assess the policy instruments, and also to help create these enabling environments that we are going to need in the future.